Hey guys, welcome back to Tennessee Grillin and Smokin. I'm Dustin, and today we're going to be seasoning up my brand new 36-inch Blackstone. Hang tight. Alright, so I've just got a damp cloth here with a little bit of soap on it. What we're going to do, we're just going to go over it one good time with it, just to knock off all the dust and everything. And this is the absolute last time I will let soap on this thing. Everybody says the first thing you need to do is just go over it one good time like this. Alright, this is the first time I'm going to fire up, so hopefully everything goes good. Oh yeah, fired up real nice. So what we're going to do, we're going to let this heat up for about 10 minutes or so, till this starts getting a little bit of a discoloration on it, and then we're going to start adding the seasoning to it. Alright, you can see we got a little bit of discoloration there, getting a little darker right there toward the middle. It's been on for about 15 minutes or so. So what I'm going to use, I'm going to use a couple things, but the first I'm going to go with is the Blackstone Griddle seasoning, cast iron conditioner. I'm just going to drop me about a tablespoonful on there. We're just going to move around, try to get everything nice and even coat. They say just a real light coat. Get up around the edges. Feel like that's a pretty even coat, so we're just going to let it sit there and burn off. I've got them turned all the way on high. What I saw on a lot of videos I watched doing this, they say whenever the smoke stops, go ahead and hit it again. So we're going to let this burn off, then we're going to get some more. We're going to do it a couple times. Alright, it's done smoking. We're going to hit it a little bit more. Getting a nice, already getting a real nice color to it. Get around the edges real good. You don't want any pulling, you want it just to be a fine coat, so I'm just making sure I don't let it pull up anywhere. Alright, we're going to let that one burn off. I'll see you here in a little bit. Alright, I've got it 2 times so far with the Blackstone seasoning. Now I've just got a little canola oil. We're just going to hit it a little bit. Coat it good with it. Alright, we're going to let that burn off. And maybe one more, maybe, I don't know. We'll see what it looks like. Alright, we've done 3 coats so far. I believe one more coat will do it fine. We're just going to hit it with this canola oil again. Get it going in there and just get it rubbed in nice and even. She's looking like a Blackstone now. I believe this might be our last coat, so let that burn off real good and we'll take a peek at it. Well, I've done 2 coats of the griddle seasoning, and I've done 2 coats of the canola oil. I believe we're probably good enough, but I'm going to go one more round with this griddle seasoning. Then after that, we're going to call it done. Because this thing's got a really pretty color to it now. It's looking like a griddle should look. And it's just screaming for me to throw some bacon or something on this thing. It's looking mighty fine. Alright guys, that was it. All I did, you know, I just did 2 coats of the actual Blackstone seasoning, and then I went 2 coats with the canola oil. I just did 1 more coat for with the seasoning for a total of 5 coats. I didn't need the last 2 coats, guys. On that first 3 coats, that thing was good to go. I shoot probably on the second one, but I just wanted to put that canola oil on top. But like I said, it was so easy to do. That thing should be good to go. It should last me for a long time. Like I just threw the bacon on there right after I got done, cooked up, and that was actually pretty good. I didn't film it, but I should have showed you when it was done. But I love it, guys. I'm freaking excited to get going on this thing. So thank y'all for your support. Give me a thumbs up if you liked it, and I'll see you next time. Have a great day.